Hi children, my name is Krishna Kumari. I want to show you how to make a flower with a paper. Today I am going to show you this simple flower to make with a paper. To make this flower, we need three colors of papers. One, the contrast two colors light and dark paper, and the green paper for the stem. I am taking an yellow paper and drawing a circle on it with the help of a lid or any dish. I had drawn a circle. Cut the circle with a scissors. This is the circle. Keep it aside. Now I had taken a small strip of red paper and folded it into two parts and started cutting in this way. 3/4 of the paper. Once you finish cutting, the paper looks in this way. Now roll the paper . Now take a glue and stick it over here in this way. Open this. Keep this aside. Take a of green paper and fold it. Stick it over here. Now you cut over here . And fold it backward. For leaves, take one more green paper and fold . Take two square papers in this way and fold in this way. Now draw a shape of a leaf over here. You will get two leaves. Take some yellow paint . Take some yellow paint and draw the veins over it. Draw the veins with the help of a sketch pen or paint or anything, and stick the leaves to the stem. The leaves in this way and keep it aside to get it dried. Now take the circle you have already cut and kept aside. Fold it into two halves. Now I just folded it here to get the midpoint. From here I am making this into 3 equal parts in this way. Once again I am showing you all. Take the paper and make it into 2. Then at the midpoint make it into 3. Now it is seen in this way. Now take a pencil and draw a petal on it. Now cut this petal. It looks in this way. Now open this. You can see this way. Now take a red sketch and give some lining at the edge of the petals. Now the flower looks in this way, and you also give a small linings in the center. Cut at one point till the center. Now apply some glue on one petal where you had given a cut. Now you overlap that petal with the next petal in this way. Now your flower is ready, almost ready. Now take the red small roll which you had done before and glue it in the middle, in the center of the flower. This is your flower. Now take the stem and also glue it to the flower. Your flower is done. This is the flower we had done, and keep it aside for few minutes to let it dry. Thank you children for watching. Bye.